Hi, this is iStarUSA. We are the premier IPC manufacturer and OEM service provider. And our headquarters is located in City of Industry, California. And our factory is located in Taiwan, Taipei. And we manufacture most of our chassis in Taiwan, especially on the ODM side. So there are 8 brands of product that we currently sell. So we do industrial server power supply, industrial rack mount chassis, industrial internal hard drive cages, industrial server cabinets, data storage products, industrial power distribution units and also UPS, storage and network cables, and also OEM ready solutions. Okay, one of our brand, FactorySmith, the reason why we have this FactorySmith brand is to develop a line of product that's specifically designed for ODM services. So the main core value of the FactorySmith line is the entire line of chassis that's within the FactorySmith category are ready to ODM. What does that mean? That means, let's say for example, we take this chassis from FactorySmith, and then there are some area that works for your components, but there are some area that's maybe too short or too long, or this area that needs more trays. Instead of 4, maybe you need 8 of them. Every chassis in our FactorySmith line, we can customize this particular chassis to your need with MOQ, minimum order quantity 25 pieces or lower. So basically, you want to take this chassis, whatever modification that you want, or whatever modification you need to satisfy your requirements are welcome. And the reason why we were able to do that is that a lot of chassis are hard tool chassis. Hard tool chassis means that we use a press to manufacture a chassis, resulting in high MOQs. And also, although the actual cost is lower, but if you want to make any changes to the actual design, it's going to be a lot more troublesome and not as easy as what we call an NCT made product. So with the FactorySmith chassis, minimum order quantity 25 pieces. Any modifications are welcome, even though changing the trays, changing the depth, changing the color, adding the logo, adding the front bezel to add your own branding to it. It's all welcome at 25 pieces minimum order quantity. Hi, my name is Jeffrey. As the Vice President of the OEM Services, I welcome you to start the OEM with us.